Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. For now, let's start today's news. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano come give us fresh updates about Karim Benzema. So Baba they explain say the situation where Karim Benzema did now. Lyon they really push to sign him. Arsenal they push to sign him. Chelsea they push to sign him. So if Karim Benzema won't really come out for Al Ittihad, he needs to take a pay cut because that salary, that be the only problem, the only stumbling block with between him and other clubs waiting for Europe. So if he take a pay cut, say okay, I understand that most clubs are not as rich as all this public this Arabia public investment fund. For that reason, I'm going to reduce my salary significantly for them to be able to sign it because presently no one remains for Saudi Arabia. So that's what Fabrizio Romano they give us. So more just go watch whether that's so you go be, I be no be so you go be. Let's just go watch it. Alright, so UEFA president, so that they call Alexander Seferin, himself come as I can talk say he don't always know say Man City they breach the financial fair play, profit and sustainability regulations. They know that one because some of you may not be aware that in 2018 UEFA hold Manchester City say they don't breach the financial fair play laws. Yes, say they deceive, they mislead UEFA with their revenue and how they take the buy. UEFA come prosecute them, come find them guilty, come ban them for 2 years in Champions League. They no go involve themselves in Champions League football. Now Man City come appeal the case, come carry them go for CHUKS. That's the arbitration panel. You get carry them go there. So as they reach there, the CHUKS come overturn the judgments. Sadly, you get so as they overturn them, Man City no get any mouth, no get any say. Now the matter conflict. That is why Seferin they talk say when they look the Premier League 115 breaches, so they don't talk say Man City breach over in like the 10 years period. You get so, and the way Man City they escape now, say maybe UEFA no establish most of their cases well. No be say them prove themselves innocent. Now based on technicality, then they take escape. So Seferin say in the watch, in the monitor what is happening for the EPL, but no one puts mouth yet. But Shola say forget say maybe CAS, Court of Arbitration for sports, say maybe those ones they overturn the judgments. But for him, Shola still get believe say Man City were guilty because he be lawyer for more than 25 years before he joined UEFA. So he know say if case no Shola for him, they no go for the case. So he sure for and say Man City were very guilty. So we could just watch. All eyes are on the independent panel where they judge Man City case. Remember, say the EPL executive Richard Masters talk say a date has been set for this Man City case. Which day be the day? They don't tell us, but they say a date has been set and it's going to be this season. And mind you, if Man City is found guilty, get whatever punishment they give them, it will apply for this season as long as this season never finish by the time they bring their judgment. So we'll just watch as this unfold. Alright, so another talk on the here and the fact say Martin Zubimendi is very close to signing for Arsenal. Now the Mirror can they bring a report say Martin Zubimendi won't sign pre-contract agreements with Arsenal. Say for summer I will come join una. Say Arsenal want to poach that guy for a very long time. You get so, and the guy said before you want come up for Riso say that. So if you say he just want to become legend, they won't stay dead in career end. But now he's open to leaving them and joining Arsenal because I think I really appreciate the Spain and professional like the guy self. He don't they open now, so now too they hear. In fact, the guy in the trend for Twitter, but I can't wait because I see whether any reputable media house will publish the story. So this morning I saw it in the Mirror publisher. So I think we are good to go. No business in January, the one by summer transfer. Maybe now they go replace outgoing Thomas Partey. We don't really know. Let's just keep watching. Alright, Paul Merson, on the other hand, maybe Arsenal legend. So Baba can come outside and talk say the difference between Arsenal and Man City and Liverpool. The difference is that Man City can wake up tomorrow and go on a 10-game winning run, 15-game winning run. Nobody go bat an eye. Nobody go listen and like saying a new thing. It is a norm. Then everybody will just say now normal level. But if Arsenal or Liverpool does it, 10 games unbeaten, like straight run, 15 games straight run. It is a big deal because no be something we be say they used to. They don't do things like that regularly. But Man City, everybody expects them to do it. Without Man City even doing it, people already they talk and say when they reach so months, Man City go do am. Because we know them for doing it. So that's the major difference. That will, that shared determination to succeed, to win against all odds. Man City get that spirit. Arsenal, Liverpool, they don't have it. Well, we just watch it. The first time in everything. Who says Arsenal cannot bear that? Say okay, from now to the end of the season we don't go lose. Who says we can't do that? So let's just watch it. Now, Roy Hodgson, I'm just happy for the man. So he don't do meeting with Steve Parish, who be the chairman or president of Crystal Palace, and that one that say he no go sack him now. You can say he go give him small time, but make him bear in mind say if results continue to go the way that they go, you say that they get bad results, he's going to be fired. Now waiting they tell Roy Hodgson. So because everybody expects Arsenal put them 5-0, say they will just fire him because fans already they revolt, and once fans want the revolt, the atmosphere is toxic. The next thing is to collect a sack letter. So I just they happy for the old man. Now Declan Rice also don't conduct an interview when he express himself because he say Arsenal players are very hungry and they want to succeed. They say people keep forgetting that we are a very young squad. Look at the things we are doing in the EPL. We are a very young squad. We are still trying to understand each other. And in fact, some people get this line of thought say the reason we make Arsenal fans get this high expectation, people like Arsenal fans, myself included, say we won't win the league this season is because we overachieved last season. Because last season we really set out to come and be title contenders. So, but we overachieved. Now the question now becomes: do you think Arsenal overachieved last season? Say because they were title contenders, almost won the league. Is that an overachievement? Yes, because in a way, when you look at it, we don't really set up to go big title contenders. Now Champions League qualification will define. If also we end up last season for fourth, qualify for Champions League, do you think this season the expectation will be to win the league? That's the question I'm asking. Because this season, as we finish fourth or third last season, this season people will say, okay, let's see better what we did. But because we finished second, if you want to better yourself, is to finish first. That's just the thing. Because you finishing out of the second, it is looking like maybe a disappointment. But this season, don't get killed. Maybe say the top four going to enter the top four. Baba, it be like this. It will be very easy. But I don't know how I think about the question why they ask you. Do you think we overachieved last season, which is what is making us have like a very big entitlement to the title this season? That we'll be title contender last season, we'll finish second. This season, on our time, we got to win the league. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so Zinchenko also one comment section to see the difference between Man City and Arsenal. And the fact is, City have built a machine. They built a machine on the players they have, and these players have played together for years. They really understand each other. Like a majority of the City players don't play for each other. Forget say new incomings they enter. The incomings will still adapt because they see there for the adaptation phase. But you see the core players of the team, they don't play for long. They understand each other. The relationship is perfect, so that's why they are flourishing. Unlike Arsenal, say like we never really like the how do I put it now? The quality between we and them, because still there somehow wide small because our bench never really strong and injury no can help matters. But it is what it is. I don't know if I subscribe to the line of thought of Zinchenko that Man City players, because they've been playing together for a very long time, that is the edge they have over us. What's saying? Now he arrives on the other hand, Connor say, make you no lie. All things being equal, saying they see Liverpool as the favourites to win the league title. But I call the break and I call the dissect. Because when you look at Liverpool's attack, look at Salah. Salah can score plenty goals. Look at Darwin Núñez. Say Darwin Núñez don't get like 10 goals, 10 assists already. And people see they talk say the guy they miss chances. They see how with Diogo Jota who can turn up any day, anytime. Don't forget Cody Gakpo. When it comes to the midfield, Alexis McAllister is there, Endo is there. They still get like confirmed players, even from the bench. Curtis Jones can come in, and Harvey Elliott can still come in. Look at that defense, and one of the best defense in the league. They're talking about an Ibrahim Konate, Benji Van Dijk, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Robertson. If those ones no day, some people will still come in, deputize, and everywhere go stew. Yeah, so when you look at how many goals where Arsenal attack don't score compared that to Liverpool attack. In fact, I don't even think Gabriel Jesus and Edin Keita have scored compared to Salah. these are the arguments wey right they put for front of say for him almost in Liverpool na go fit challenge Man City collect am for Man City, and Man City they do on and off, they never dey consistent. Say Liverpool they just dey gbera dey go. Although Paul Merson come outside call it debunk right arguments, say he no subscribe to that line of thought. Want to say Liverpool no really dey stable like that, so I don't get injury. Like Liverpool no really dey as good as Liverpool of the old, you get, because themselves they rebuild. Them no expecting they go to fight for title, but they just bought Alexis McAllister, Gravenberch, Endo, like about some players. Their midfield na new midfield, you get, so they were supposed to compete for the title. So surprisingly, companies they do overachieve when they're supposed to build. So everything na people opinion, but honestly, when you look at it, Arsenal, Man City, Liverpool, and will be last when it comes to attacking prowess. And our goals go win you games. Goals now will make you win the title. So I don't know what you think. Are you supporting Paul Merson that Liverpool are not the favorites? Or are you supporting your right? Say, more Liverpool said they did there. But let's just see what happens. Alright, so caught offside will be one of our monitoring spirits. They let us know say Thomas Partey will soon return to full training shortly. I know see many people they post on social media say don't return already. In fact, there's this conspiracy theory online. Say that time when they did Dubai, Thomas Partey was training with the team. He has already returned to full training, but it would be somehow unfair if they started to post pictures of Thomas Partey online, say they don't return to full training, whereas Ghana did for AFCON and they don't have him. If they say they don't return to full training, if for just Kukuma go join them, but because his name not there for the final list, so it would be painful for the coach if they see Thomas Partey say he don't return to full training and they can't use him. That is say Partey now if say Ghana don't come up for AFCON because they see pictures say Thomas Partey don't resume to full training. That is the conspiracy theory out there. So I don't know what to believe, whether that's true, whether that's lie. I know they there. But if truly say don't come back, we'll really need him. My prayer is say make him not go back to the injury anytime soon. If he go fit day here for the remainder of the second half of the season, play for us. Come on, we'll be okay. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and subscribe, get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.